I'll see if I can adjust my light to see if I look less orange. Wait a minute. Oh shit, that's the disco setting. No! Hey guys, get ready with me. I'm so sorry about the lighting in this video. I've only just realised that this is the right setting. Enjoy! I better put some face on. This is where I freeze up and forget which order to do everything in, because like, it's actually very rare I do a full face of makeup. This is gonna be like my everyday makeup routine tutorial as well. This is the Bobbi Brown face base primer. When I used to do my makeup YouTube, I was used to like doing my makeup and then talking about the product. I'm not very good at like just doing my face and talking about like random shit. I don't actually wear foundation, but I just use under eye concealer. I use the Made by Mitchell Brighten. I just put a little bit underneath my eyes like that. Where's my beauty blender? I spray my beauty blender with a bit of P. Louise setting spray. So yeah, today I'm actually working from home because of Storm Eowyn. So I'm clocked out on my lunch hour at the minute. Concealer's blended. Oh, my beauty blender just jumped away from me. My vanity area is such a mess at the minute. I need to tidy it up. It's so bad. I just use my P. Louise under eye powder to set my concealer. So yeah, as I say, I'm working from home today. I finish at 4. So after I've done this tutorial, I'm gonna clock back in for a couple of hours and then finish and then film a couple of bits of content that I've been meaning to do. If I have any other oily areas on my face, I use the One Size powder, just a tiny little bit, because this shit is like gold dust to me. Just the tiniest little dibby dabby. Just a bit. And then tap it onto my hand. And then anywhere might be a little bit shiny. I don't know what happened to my accent, but there I went a bit Bristolian. Might be a bit shiny. That was not Bristol. Oh, this lighting's making the colour of everything go so off. Oh lord. Oh, I always forget to do this. This is my cream blush. This is from She Glam. I know I said I'd never buy anything from Shein. I got this a while ago, and it's like, it's so good. Like, it's so like blendable. I should have put this on before powder. I'm a fucking idiot. I also wanted to tell you about the volunteering event I went to. I had so much fun. Oh my god, it was honestly like, I loved it so much, and I really hope to hear from them soon. They said they're gonna email me, but the event was really fun. Oh, I just got a brush in my eye. Oh my god, the lighting's making this look ridiculous. I swear to god, this does blend really well. Oh my god. But yeah, like we had a scenario to do. What the fuck is this lighting doing to my face? But yeah, we were given a scenario of a lady who was coming in for she had a job interview and we had to dress her. So we had to pick her outfit, pick her shoes. She liked pattern, she wasn't afraid of colour, so we put the whole outfit together and it was great. And it was just lovely to hear more about the service. Like, I really want to volunteer with a charity that empowers women. Like, that's so like important to me as well as just helping people in general. I don't know, it makes us really excited to be doing something like that. Now my bronzer, Benefit Hoola, as it has been for the past million fucking years, and then this lighting's gonna really make this look weird. I'm gonna have to sort this out, Jesus Christ. But yeah, I should hear back from SmartWorks in the next couple of days. But then next Wednesday, I've also got another volunteer interview. This is another one that's really close to my heart because I've been through the service. It's a Gateshead Recovery Partnership, and they're the ones who helped me through my addiction problems and really helped me with my recovery. So I always wanted to volunteer and help like with the group sessions with them. So I'm hoping to get that one. I think that one's like 2 evenings a week. And then they said the SmartWorks one was 1 or 2 days a month. So I think it's manageable like with my work pattern as it is. So I think I'll be alright. With my bronzer and my blusher, I always use it as eyeshadow. So like getting my bronzer and put it in the crease of my eye. And that on. See, another reason why I think I'd suck at makeup tutorials now is people always do their brows first now, and I don't get it. Like, I know I don't use foundation and that, but I feel like I'd do my brows and then I'd end up getting like powder in my brows and everything, and I'd just be like, oh, it's chaotic. I just put a little bit of that under my eye as well, just on the outer corner. This is gonna look so stupid in the mirror, but I use this brush. Blah, blah, blah. I use this blush, Too Faced Cloud Crush. I definitely bought this because of Tallulah Metcalf. I do watch Tallulah. She's from up here. I've got to support a local gal. Yeah, I just take a little bit of that and just put that on my cheekbones a little bit. Oh my god, this is making it look stupid. I'm not this red in real life. A little bit on my chin, a little bit on my nose, and then I take a flat brush and then put it on my eyelid as well. What the fuck is that on my nose? Get off. Put it on my eyelid, so it looks like I've done something with my eyes and not just left them. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows, just brush them through a little bit. They need help. They need therapy. Tweezers, urgent. I use this brow gel from Morphe. I've run out, so it's very hard to do. You can't really see my brows that much because, like, when my fringe is down, it covers them, so yeah, it's alright. So the content I'm gonna film today, I've got a little Urban Outfitters haul. I got a few bits from their Urban Renewal line, so it's like a mini haul, and then I got something from the Ragged Priest as well. Oh my god, you know what I'm like with me bag charms and stuff. I saw that the Labubu's had come back in stock on the Pop Mart website, and I was like, I didn't buy one because by the time I clicked on it, they were completely gone, so never mind. I'm gonna highlight, I still use Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I know he's kind of been cancelled, but this is the best highlighter I've ever used. I'm not even gonna lie. Guy's a prick, but this highlighter is sick. That rhymed. Ooh. And it's like, it's such a good highlighter though. Like, it's a blinder. I'm sure if anyone wants to recommend another like really good highlighter, I'm like more than welcome. I'm more than open to suggestions, but like, look how much I've got left, man. I haven't even hit pan. I got it a while ago. I always put that in the inner corners of my eyes, brighten things up. And I put a tiny bit on my lips, just the... I really want lip filler. Like, I don't know, I think because like the size of my nose, my face looks like really out of proportion. I don't know. I want lip filler. My mum says she'll kill me, but I really want it. Then for my lips, I'll use my trusty Max Factor Lipfinity. I always make sure I try and like wipe most of the product off the applicator. I'm so used to using a really old dry one, so I think that's like the best way to apply it. I only do like bottom lip and then do that. This lightening's ruining it, but it's a lovely My Lips But Better colour. It's just, it's nudie, it's pinky, it's rosy. I love it so much. While I wait for that to dry, I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes. I hate curling my eyelashes in case I get like, in case I nip me eye, and that's like a nightmare to me. Got my eye. I hate doing it, I hate doing it, I hate doing it. Can anyone else feel it? And then my favourite mascara, it has to be waterproof. It's the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I only put like a little bit of this on. Depending like if I'm going like out somewhere, I'll proper lash it on, like maybe 2 or 3 coats, but I think we'll just stick to one today. I know I'm doing a weird face. I don't know why we do this face when we put mascara on. Like, I have to keep my mouth open when I put my mascara on. What Waterproof mascara, by the way, if you've curled your lashes, holds a curl in your lashes so much better than like regular mascara. So 100% recommend this one, L'Oreal Lash Paradise. It's supposed to be a dupe for the Too Faced Better Than Sex one. I've only got that one in non-waterproof, and it is good, but I can't really judge because like if a mascara's like gonna go all smudgy, I'll not really go for it because I'm an eye rubber. I'm an eye rubber. I will rub my eyes till the cows come home, which is why I don't wear mascara every day because I'll end up looking like and my lip is dry. I'll just add the balm on top of it just to give it the shine. So yeah, that was quite a chatty get ready with me. I might do more of these. Quite like talking to the camera, even though, well, I've had a few bits to talk about. Oh, last but not least, setting spray. It's great for getting your anger out. Wait till it disperses before you breathe. Okay. That's the face, guys. I'll see if I can adjust my light to see if I look less orange. Wait a minute. Oh shit, that's the disco setting. No! Actually, that's better. I should have put that one on. So there we go. There's my ready face. I'll go and find something to wear. Actually, I'd better go back to work soon. After work, I'll film some content, but that's the face. Bye!